Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pad see ew at home updated. Heat a wide pan or wok, smash garlic, then toast it briefly. Add protein and sear until nearly cooked. Push ingredients aside, crack an egg and scramble gently, then fold in drained noodles. Splash dark and light soy, pinch sugar, toss with Chinese broccoli until glossy and just wilted, then serve hot. Use high heat and swift motion to get the characteristic smoky flavor and proper noodle texture. Preheat the pan until it is very hot, then add a little oil and garlic. Cook garlic quickly to avoid bitterness. Sear the protein, fold in the noodles, and keep tossing so every strand gets sauce. Finish by adding Chinese broccoli and adjusting seasoning to taste before plating. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more recipes to you. Quick recommendation. A book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and pairs nicely with relaxed kitchen time. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Combine dark soy for color and light soy for depth, then add a small pinch of sugar and white pepper to balance sweet and savory notes. Mix the sauce separately so you can control quantity and avoid oversalting. When the noodles hit the pan, pour the sauce in stages to coat without pooling. Toss constantly so the sauce caramelizes slightly, giving glossy noodles and that perfect pad see ew finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.